Hey, today I want mussels and in a bad way, and I'm not talking an old Grace Jones song. I am talking about yummy mussels in a broth that I'm gonna build with lots of flavor here. First, starting with my chorizo, fresh from the refrigerator. I just got the casing off, got it right into my pan here with a little bit of olive oil so it could get nice and brown and crunchy and caramelized. I'm just bringing it out so I can saute my Vidalia onion and my sliced garlic in the fat. It's gonna be just the perfect conveyance to get some flavor and some sweating out of my onions here. So just gonna add a little bit of salt. I can sweat these down. And some pepper. It's gonna be so good. Make sure when you chop your onion, that it's small enough to kind of fit in the cavity of the mussel, because as you can imagine, you're getting in there and you're scooping. You really want this flavor in your bite, not just in the bowl. Hey, today I am satisfying my urge for mussels with my chorizo and mussels. Got the last of my mussels out of the water there, just a little bit of grit down in the bottom because they're cultivated and don't have to worry about doing too much cleaning. I really love mussels at home too because it's a really fast meal and it's inexpensive and great for guests if they want to come over. All right, now in my big pot here, remember I went ahead and sauteed my fresh chorizo and I got the fat from that. I went ahead and sweat out my onions and the garlic and that fat. Right now, over the top of that, I'm gonna get in my wine. Good white wine, dry, a little hint of sweet to it, because I've got my soptastic garlic bread there, and sopping is no good if the liquid isn't good, so it's great to put some wine into play here. Just kind of deglaze the bottom, make sure you get up all the little bits. And then I'm just gonna get my mussels right into play here. Now, these are going to be done cooking when they open up and let you at all of the mussel goodness. Try to pour away from yourself slowly and get it in there. And then right over the top, gonna sprinkle my chorizo. Lots of flavor, spice, yummy yumminess. And then I'm just gonna cover this up and let it steam. This is gonna be so good, smells great. I can smell the white wine in here. Remember, I started with a saute of the chorizo so I could get that fat. And then I went ahead and sauteed and sweated out the onions and the garlic in the fat of the chorizo. So flavor galore, look at that. I cannot wait to eat this. This is just beautiful. All right, here we go. Pile it high. Let me show you how to get in and get yourself some yummy goodness. The first one, I always like to just kind of go in and open it up, peel it out. Oh yeah. Chorizo's where it's at. And then I just kind of use this as my pincher and pull out all the rest of it.